everybody, it's Landon.
And it's Daddy.
And it's Toy Time Fun.
Yep, and we're here with more Grossery gang today. We got some Wave 2 in the 12 pack. Not sure what's in these surprise packs here, but we're going to find out. And we got the delivery strike motorbike finally. We bought this months ago, but it's just been sitting down here, and we're finally going to open it up and check it out.
Oh, yeah.
You ready, buddy? Okay, what do you want to open up first? Surprise packs. These have 2 groceries inside. They're surprise, and we don't know what they are. But they sound like they got something hard inside of them. Here, let me help you open this up too, bud. Yeah, open it right here.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Okay, check it out.
Check it out. I'm trying to
Let me pop holes.
pop hole. Let me do this. Oh, it looks like, oh, it's a double.
Is it a double? We keep getting doubles in these surprise packs, but we keep trying. We're wanting to find a limited edition inside of these things and prove once and for all that you can get limited editions inside these 2 packs.
Oh, it looks like a new one.
Oh, there's the bangers and trash. I think we have that one. I think it's, what's his name? Disinfector
Oh, yeah, we have that one.
in that color. I think we got both colors of him.
Oh,
That's okay.
It's right here.
That's okay. No. Oh, I might have put that on the wrong one.
Whoa, this is very tall.
Is it big?
Oh, yeah, it's big.
Is it a clean team?
Yep, it's the clean team. I guess.
Here, you pop a hole. Let's open it right here. Oh, I know what it is.
You know?
Yeah, I know what it is. And we have that one too. It's big. It's the biggest clean team there is, except for Washout. It's Bennett. The blue one. He's really cool. He's got that goofy tooth sticking out.
I knew it.
You knew it. Fish and 6. And we've got that one. Well, it's hard to find new ones for us because we have so many in these 2 packs. But that's why we buy those 12 packs, so that we can finish our set. But it's fun to open these surprise packs because you have no idea what's in them.
That's new.
Yeah, it is. We got some brand new ones in this 12 pack.
That is new.
Well, how about this, buddy? Let's go ahead and open up this delivery strike motorbike, and we'll set it up so we can open up the 12 pack and set our guys on it. And then later on, you and Brooklyn can play with it and show it off. You want to do that?
Yes.
Okay. You ready to open it up? Okay, you want to snap our fingers and they'll magically appear opened? 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
Here it is, the delivery strike motorbike out of the box, ready to go, with the 2 exclusive groceries that comes with it, which we don't know their names just yet, so I'm gonna have to look it up and put it on there later. I'm pretty sure that's Pizza Face, supposedly,
Oh, yeah.
with the motorcycle glasses on there and the long arms to hold on to his motorbike.
Yeah.
I don't know that guy's name. What does he look like?
I don't know.
He's got a helmet on. He's got a passenger side motorcycle jacket. And here is the bike, which we'll go play with later on tonight with Brooklyn to test it out. But you can take a look at it here. It's got the headlight there, handlebars, got a cool looking skull face in the front.
Look, there's a pizza you push and it goes up, or there's like a little thing you can just pull it up.
Yeah, you can, well, I think it's to launch your groceries. You can put them on there like that.
And then...
Yep. And then you flip them off. And then you can also put your groceries inside of this box. And I think you're supposed to be able to tip it out somehow. Do you know how?
No.
I don't know either. We'll have to figure it out later. But it's got these missiles too right here on the side. That you're supposed to push these down like so, and then you flick them out with your finger.
Oh.
Boom. I don't know if you're supposed to put him here or
Oh, yeah.
something like that. Boom. Okay, buddy, you want to open up the 12 pack and see what we get?
Yeah! Yeah.
We'll play with this in a little bit. We'll show it off.
This open.
Get this got to stay on here. There we go.
Whoa. Very hard on this part.
I know it is. Here, let me help you.
Yay! Yay!
So before we open it, let's show the package off. It's got the green rank rabbit on there. I think we need it. The grubby scrubby. We need it. The green trash bag. What's his name? Garbage mouth.
Yeah.
And the shoe. What's the shoe's name?
Sloppy shoe.
Sloppy shoe?
Shoe.
We'll have to look that up. Grab the checklist over there. Oh,
I know.
this one's got 2 clean team. I doubt it's a limited edition. It's probably 2 clean team. So the green rank rabbit. That's the pack you want to look for if you want this one. And we're not going to show off the Wave 1s, because you guys have seen this tons of times.
Yeah, you have seen it like 100.
Hundreds of times.
Hundreds. We don't even need it.
We'll give these away to our friends or
Here?
trade them. There's the Grubby Scrubby.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's his name. Put him right there. Grab that checklist right there, bud. There's Garbage Mouth. I love that color. The purple mouth.
Let's see.
Blah. Let's put him right there. And the shoe, whatever his name is.
His name is Chew Shoe.
Chewed. Oh, Gooey Shoe.
Chew Shoe. Oh.
The Gooey Shoe. Let's put him right there.
Okay, let's open these.
Alright, open up the blind cans.
Oh!
Oh, nice. Show it off. We got a new one.
I know.
That's Clean Scream. Or Clean Scream. That's really odd looking. It's a different shape than I've ever seen.
Oh, why is this always a double?
Is it a double?
Double.
That's okay. We got one new clean team at least. Really cool looking. You like that one, bud? It's sweet. Okay, buddy, that was a cool quick video. We got some good ones to add to our set. Our collection is growing. We almost got the entire set.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a few more Wave 2s. And we've got the Putrid Power final set. So, which one's your favorite you got just now?
This one.
The clean team? It is hard to not pick that one.
I know. And this one.
The Grubby Scrubby.
They're so cool.
My favorite is this
Probably.
Garbage Mouth because the color is just really bright. I love it.
Let me see. Bye.
See you next time and subscribe and collect with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God bless America. Okay.
Singing for us.
That I love.
Job, Brooklyn.
1, 2, 3. Sweet. Here, I'll just whatever. Okay. Daddy, now I know what to do with this thing. Do I just take this off?
No, it's okay. It's just the way it's supposed to be.
Land that I love, stand beside it.